Hey, welcome to 209 Online. Today we're going to be doing word problems with the missing addend. Last week we did subtraction and you had to find the missing number in that subtraction problem. And so this week we're going to go a little bit deeper and really go into word problems and find that missing subtraction number. So this is what you're going to find online. The first two I'm going to do for you. There's another 2 pages that you can do. One's a little bit easier, one's a little bit harder. So it just depends on how well your child is doing and how easy it comes to them. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now here's our problem, our word problem. Jim went apple picking. He has 7 apples in his basket. Now I have little M&M bunny rabbits, but whatever you have lying around, you can use. So I have 7 apples, so I need to get 7 of these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some fell out, and now there are 4 in his basket. So I'm going to count where there's 4 left in his basket and see then how many fell out of his basket. So if there are 4 still left in his basket, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the ones that are still left in his basket. Now I can see how many fell out. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 fell out. So if I were to write this, I would start it with 7. And then some came out. So that's a takeaway. And then we have a sum that we don't know. And that equals 4 left in his basket. So now we found out that 7 take away 3, or how many that rolled out, are how many fell out. So 7 take away 3 equals 4. So then you're going to write about how you figured it out. And that's what it asks you. How did you figure out how many apples fell out of the basket? So I'm going to write that I took 4 away and found that there were 3 that fell out. Just like that. Just one sentence. That's all you need. So the next one is Jim went apple picking. He has 5 apples in his basket. Some fell out. And now there is 1 in his basket. How many apples fell out? Show your work. So now we're going to have 5 apples. Show 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now there's 1 left in his basket. So I'm going to say this is the one left in his basket. And look, now we can find that there were 1, 2, 3, 4 that fell out. So I can write that 5 take away something, we weren't sure first what it was, equals 1. And then we found out that it was 4 apples had fallen out. And then you're going to write something similar, but not exactly the same. as 2. So I took 1 away and found that there were 4 that fell out. Okay? And you can use your own words to do this. Now, once you're done with the pages that are online, there are some cool games. First, there's one video on BrainPop Jr. that might be really good. It's under math and math strategies and then solving word problems. And it kind of puts it into a different perspective on how to find a word problem and how to solve a word problem. And then there are a lot of games also on Khan Academy Kids that you can find under the first grade. And it says, what's the missing number? Those are good practice. They're not completely word problems, but they do help you still solve the missing number. So until next time, I will see you later. Bye.